You may have noticed that in many flags, especially the European, a double-headed eagle is depicted. Characteristic examples of double-headed eagles in flags are on the imperial flag of Russia, on the flag of the Greek Orthodox Church, and on the flags of Albania and Serbia. But what is the historical basis and significance of this emblem and why it was created? For millennia, the double-headed eagle was generally depicting pyres. Its origins trace back to the Hittite civilization in the Middle East. However, the double-headed eagle became popular when it was used by the flags of the Byzantine Empire in the 11th and the 12th century, especially during the Paleologos dynasty. Subsequently, the double-headed eagle was adopted by France, the Islamic Spain, and Bulgaria. Following that, the double-headed eagle spread to the flags of the Holy Roman Empire, Serbia, and Russia, countries which use this flag symbol till now. What is the origin of this symbol, however? Several researchers suggest it was initially borrowed from the emblem of the Roman Empire, the so-called aquila. Other researchers tend to believe that this is a general symbol demonstrating imperialistic attitudes, while others tend to think that this symbol was adopted as it depicts an eagle with two heads looking in opposite directions, which may be interpreted as a bridge connecting east to west, the strategic location of the Roman and later of the Byzantine Empire. Currently, the double-headed eagle is used in several different ways. Thus, it is used in national flags, as a heraldic symbol in the flags of several cities, and in sports club logos. It should be also noted that the double-headed eagle is one of the most recognizable symbols in vexillology, its history being unique, trailing back to ancient times. Thanks for watching, and if you wish, subscribe. Auf Wiedersehen.